Sometimes we'll have to use simultaneous equations in different contexts. One of them is finding the point of intersection of two lines. So you could be given the equation of two different lines and you could be asked to find out where they intersect. That's where the two of them cross each other or where the two of them touch. That's in part B of this question here from 2016, I think. So first off, we need to put a tick in the correct box to show which point is on the line y is equal to 3x plus 8. So a quick reminder, if we want to do that, we first off write down the equation. So y is equal to 3x plus 8, and we check which point when substituted in will give us something that makes sense. So I'll try the first one first of all. So I'll let y be 3 from here. So I have 3 is equal to 3 times x is 0 plus 8. So then I have 3 is equal to 8. Well, that's not true, so that one's definitely not it. Then we try the next one. We have y is equal to 3x plus 8. So I have to let y equal 0, because we have the 0 here in the y position. Then we have 3 times 8 plus 8. So 0 will not be equal to 3 times 8 will be 24 plus 8. So 0 is not equal to 32. So that's not true, and that's not true. So now it has to be this last one. But just to make sure we justify our answer, we have to say y. So we have y is equal to 3x plus 8. And we have to let y equal 8. 8 is equal to 3 times 0 plus 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So that's definitely our correct answer there. Now on to the simultaneous equation bit. So we can see here we've been given two equations, just like before, only that there's a slight difference in that in both equations, the variables are not both on the same side. So I'm going to take my equations, but I'm going to write them with the variables on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So y is equal to 2x plus 7 will change to minus 2x plus y is equal to plus 7. The second equation will be minus 5x plus y is equal to minus 11. Now I'm going to mark my two simultaneous equations. This one's 1, this one's 2, and I can use any of the rules I want to, or I can use either method, substitution or elimination. For this one, I'm going to use elimination. So I'm going to take that first line and I'm going to multiply it by minus 1 to change the signs on everything. So I'll have 2x minus y is equal to minus 7. Then in the second line, I'll leave unchanged. So I'll leave the second line as it is. Now I'll add both lines together. So I'll have line 1 plus line 2. And that will give me minus 3x. The two y's will cancel each other out, is equal to minus 18. Then I have 3x is equal to 18, because if minus 3x is equal to minus 18, then 3x will be equal to 18. Then I have 3x divided by 3 is equal to 18 divided by 3. They'll cancel and x will be equal to 6. Then if x is 6, I have to find out what y is. And to find out what y is, I'll substitute 6 in for x. So I take the first equation I was given, replace the x with a 6, and I get y is equal to 12 plus 7. Y is equal to 19. So that's the type of question you'll be given. Then we have other ones here we could be given as well. So we have these ones on the right-hand side down here. Okay, so I'm going to mark these. So find the point where the lines intersect. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 are all like that, okay? So you have to see where those lines intersect. So find the point where the line y is equal to minus x plus 5 intersects with the line y is equal to 2x plus 2. So we'll have to use either elimination or substitution from the video we did previously. And then the second part of each question wants you to draw the lines in the coordinate plane. So if we want to draw those lines in the coordinate plane, we can use the function on our calculator. So you know where we have to press shift function, and then we'll enter in fx is equal to, so you see what it has, y is equal to minus x plus 5. So we'll have f of x is equal to minus x plus 5. We'll start at minus 5, end at plus 5, and do steps of plus 1. and then that will plot our line for us, and we'll be able to draw it on the coordinate graph, whatever it might look like. So what I'll get you guys to do for me for Friday is I'll get you to do